Hello everyone. I'm going to take on an incredible challenge that many of you might think is impossible. Reviving a completely dead car battery. To confirm its state, I'm using jumper cables connected to a small test bulb. As you can see, the bulb doesn't light up at all, indicating this battery is completely dead. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I even tried connecting it to a smaller, known good battery for a quick check, and the test bulb worked, proving our main battery is indeed flat. Now, the first step in our revival process is to carefully open up the battery. I'm using a pair of long nose pliers to remove each of the 6 caps on top of the battery. This allows me to access the internal cells, which is crucial for the next steps. With the caps removed, I'm now draining the old murky liquid from the battery cells into a clear plastic container. This is essential to remove any depleted or contaminated battery acid that might be preventing the battery from holding a charge. Next, using a funnel, I'm filling each cell with fresh, clear water. This initial rinse with water helps to further flush out impurities and residue from the cells, preparing the cells for a new electrolyte. After letting the water sit for a moment, I'm draining it out, just like before. This second flush is vital to ensure that the battery cells are as clean as possible before we introduce our next, rather unconventional, ingredient. I'm opening a bottle of Coca-Cola and, using the same funnel, I'm carefully pouring it into each of the battery cells. While this might seem strange, some people believe the phosphoric acid in Coca-Cola can help clean the internal plates. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Once the Coca-Cola has had some time to work, I'm draining it completely from the battery. You can see the dark brown liquid flowing out, taking with it any loosened deposits from inside the cells. We're essentially giving the battery a thorough internal cleaning. After emptying the Coca-Cola from the battery, I'm rinsing it with clean water. Using a funnel again, I fill each compartment with this clean water. This will help clean out the phosphoric acid from the Coca-Cola inside the battery. Then, I'm draining the solution from the compartments. To ensure the inside of the battery is completely clean, I repeat the battery rinsing process one last time. It's important to ensure clear pathways so the solution can truly penetrate all parts of the battery electrode plates. Now for the final electrolyte. I'm refilling all 6 cells with the acid sulfuric liquid, ensuring each cell is topped up to the correct level. This liquid will now serve as our new electrolyte, hopefully allowing the battery to hold a charge once again. With the electrolyte replaced, it's time to seal everything back up. I'm carefully replacing each of the 6 caps and using my pliers to ensure they are securely fastened. This prevents any leakage and maintains the proper internal environment for the battery. Now for the critical step, charging the battery. I'm connecting a repair charger. I've attached the positive and negative clamps to the correct battery terminals, and then plugged the charger into a power strip. You can see the charger screen light up, showing it's actively working to recondition and charge our battery. This pulse repair function is designed to help desulfate the battery plates. To verify our efforts, I'm using a multimeter to check the voltage. After the charging process, you can clearly see it's now reading 12.29 V, indicating a significant and successful restoration of power. And now for the ultimate test. I'm reconnecting our small test bulb to the battery terminals. This DIY solution worked amazingly well, transforming a discarded item into a fully functional part. Look at that! The bulb lights up brightly and consistently, proving that our dead battery has been successfully revived. If you found this project as fascinating as I did, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other impossible repairs you'd like to see me tackle next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.